In the electric vehicle landscape, where giants like Tesla dominate, emerging players are constantly vying for their share of the spotlight. One such contender is Rivian, a name that's been generating quite the buzz. But with the big players already staking their claim and legacy automakers entering the fray, where does Rivian stand? Let's dive into the latest developments and see what the future might hold for this EV upstart. Alright, let's take a look at the news. Rivian, trading under the ticker NASDAQ, RIVN, is making its mark in the EV sector. Despite the presence of heavyweights like Tesla, Rivian is carving out its niche, and analysts are taking note. Recent revelations indicate that Rivian's positive trend on margins is set to continue. However, this optimism from analysts didn't prevent a slight dip in Rivian's stock during a recent Monday morning trading session. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas shed some light on Rivian's trajectory. He believes that the lessons Rivian garnered from its R1 will significantly influence its R2's performance. As Rivian builds on its past experiences and leverages its growing brand recognition, the outlook seems promising. Continuous improvements in manufacturing processes are also expected to bolster the company's gross margins. Additionally, Rivian is gearing up to introduce a slew of new features aimed at enticing potential buyers. A glance at the registration data reveals an upward trend for Rivian in the US. From January to July, Rivian secured the 8th spot in terms of registrations. In July alone, they registered 2,750 vehicles, surpassing their monthly average for the year. For context, the Ford F-150 Lightning saw 11,883 registrations through July. But Rivian isn't resting on its laurels. They recently released an over-the-air update, version 2023.34.0, aimed at enhancing ride comfort. This update promises a harmonious balance between ride and handling, especially for vehicles in sport mode, ensuring a smoother driving experience for its users. So, what's the verdict on Rivian's stock? The consensus among analysts leans positive. With 12 buy ratings, 7 holds, and just 1 sell, Rivian is deemed a moderate buy. The average price target suggests a potential upside of 16.82%, making it an enticing proposition for investors. In conclusion, while the EV market is crowded with formidable competitors, Rivian's strategic moves, coupled with its commitment to innovation, position it as a brand to watch. Their focus on enhancing user experience and their positive trajectory in the market make them a compelling choice for those looking to diversify their EV portfolio. Alright, folks, that's our deep dive into Rivian's current standing in the EV market. If you found this analysis insightful, do hit that like button. It truly helps in boosting this video's visibility. And if you're new here, subscribe and drop a comment saying you did. We'll be sure to get back to you. What are your thoughts on Rivian's prospects? Do you see them as a major player in the near future? Share your opinions below. And for the daily enthusiasts, don't forget to check out our EV stocks pre-market report, offering target numbers for over 20 EV-related stocks every day. Stay charged and keep those investments savvy.